The project title is Supporting Teachers to Monitor Student Learning Progress in an Educational Environment with Robotic Activities. So, robotic has proven its positive impact on the performance and attitudes of the students, but it's difficult to maintain the student attitude and the activities in the online classes. In previous, the attitudes are not watched by the staffs, so it's difficult to monitor the students that they are attending the classes or not. So to overcome this, we proposed a system to monitor the student behavior and their attitudes by asking the questions. So in this proposed system, a staff ask the questions to the students. So if the students are able to answer, that means they are active in the classes and attending the classes regularly and properly. So if they are not answering any of these questions, so that means they are not attentive and active in the classes. Those based on this, staff can remarks the students with the behaviors. So let's move on to the project. So here there is a three main roles are played in this project. So one is admin, the other is a staff, and the other is a student. So let's log in into the admin page. So here's the admin page. Newly registered student details are listed here. So the admin need to activate the student or staff, and the approved student list are listed here. Like this, newly registered staff details are listed here, and the approved staff details are listed here. So let's sign into the staff page. So before signing to the page, the staff need to register themselves. So here there is a two options, one is staff and the other is students. First let's sign up into the staff page. So here the listed courses. So request was sent successfully. So as I said, the admin need to activate our student or staffs. So activate successfully. So after activated, we need to sign into the staff page. So login successfully. So this is the staff page. The registered student details are listed here. This is the control panel. The staff can add the video URL and the name of the video for the online sessions. So submit the URL. The video was uploaded successfully. So this is the live session page. So here, if any advanced events are placed, the staff need to register in advance. So this is the time of the event. So here the staff need to give the date of the event properly. Then click submit. So the registered event list is here. The session name, the session time, and the session date. So this is the staff page. So let's sign into the student page. So here also we need to sign up before logging into the page. So I am a student, interested course Java, then click sign up. So request was sent successfully to the admin. So newly registered student details, the admin need to activate the student, then activated successfully. After, we need to sign into the page. Sign in successfully. So this is the student page. So there is an option called listening to the class. So this is the video that staff already added. We added here in the URL link. So here the answered question answers are listed here. So here the event details, the staff already added the event details. So let's start the sessions. The control panel, there is a live class. So the staff need to start the live sessions. So here the online student listed here. The students who is in online are listed here. So start the session and then start listening to their classes. So the student listening to the classes, the same time the staffs start the session. After that the student need to listening to the classes. So here the question page, the staffs are needed to ask the question in between the session. So by this the staff can monitor the students that they are active in classes or not by asking the question to the students. So let's ask the question, which year Java developed. So the mix of options are listed here. We give mixed options. The student need to pick the correct answer. So if they are active in and attentive in the classes and they are listening to the video, so they are able to correctly answer the questions. So if they are not able to answer the questions correctly. So here give the option correct options. So then submit. The question has been raised. Let's see the student page. So the staff asked questions listed here. Just click the correct answer and submit, and we give submit correctly answers. So let's see the student page. So in view results, so the question that staff asked, which Java was developed, and the answer in. So here the student who name of the student who give the answers. So this is correct or wrong that are listed here. So the staffs are also give the remarks to students if they are correctly answered, or give punishments to the students if they are not correctly answered. So let's give some random values. So in view results, the staff remarks are shows here. So the main concept of the project is to monitor the student in the live sessions that they are active and attentive in the classes. So staffs are asking the questions to the students. So if they are active and attentive in the classes, they are able to answer the questions. So if they are not attentive in the classes, they are not able to answer the questions. So it helps staffs to monitor the student while the online sessions.